Hey, are you looking for a fun, easy way to make some extra money on the side? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $3 every 3 minutes just by sitting back, relaxing, and watching short videos on your phone. Let's get into it. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give me a like, share this video, and be the first one to comment on all my videos. And once I reach 9,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick the first comment, and that person's going to win the free money. Now let's get into this video. Okay guys, I'm in the Google Play Store, and I put up this app called Earn Money with Givey Shorts. So with this app, you're going to make money just watching short videos. Now let me show you the screenshot so you can see how it looks inside the app. So here are the videos right here. As you can see, these are short videos you're going to watch, and you're going to make money just watching these little short videos. So this page right here just shows the balance. So this is how it's going to look in the app. So it says here, watch unlimited, everyday, everywhere short videos. Join now the highest paying rewards app on the Google Play Store, the highest paying reward app on the Play Store. Say hello to your big rewards, the hottest 2023 earning money app. So guys, this is one of the best apps in 2023 right now, guys. So it hasn't been around that long. So this is your time to jump on this app. So you're going to earn money for watching short videos, an awesome platform for reels, short videos, and many more. Short videos for every mood. Want to redeem real money rewards? Wait no more and download now. Watch short videos and earn real money today. So make money from your phone, get paid today. Increase your earnings to a whole new level. So you're going to enjoy short videos, funny clips of like cats, dogs, cars, or anything of your interest. So you get to pick what you want to see. Now you're going to withdraw directly from PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you need to set that up and connect. You'll be able to connect this to the app, and when you redeem your rewards, you can redeem it for PayPal Cash, or you can redeem it for crypto on Coinbase, or you can get Amazon gift cards. Now the cash out amounts are minimum withdrawal, and the payments could take up to 7 days. When they say that, that means it might take up to 7 days, but it could be shorter than that, guys. So don't let that discourage you. Now let's look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, 4.4. Excellent, guys. Anything over 4.0 is an excellent app. That's why I think this app is very good, guys, because it's 4.4. Now you're probably wondering, how much money can you make? So let me just go ahead and read one review here, because some of these reviews will tell you how much they'll make. So this person right here saying they're making 8 cents. Now, I know that's very, very low, but the videos you're going to be watching are short videos. So the videos are not going to take that long to watch. And all videos is not going to be worth 8 cents. It's going to be a little bit more. Some of them be like 20 cents, 30 cents, maybe even $1. It just all depends on the categories that you pick. So once you get in the app, you'll be able to see what type of categories you pick. If you pick a lot of categories, you'll be able to get a lot of videos, a lot of short videos, and that 8 cents or 10 cents or 20 cents is going to add up. So every 5-10 minutes you can make $3 to $4, $5, even more. Okay guys, that's all I'm going to say about this app. I think you need to check it out. It has 100 1,000 downloads, so that means not that many people using the app, so they probably have a lot of videos that you can check out, short videos that you can check out, and you can gradually make some money on this app. So go to Earn Money with Givey Shorts in the Google Play Store. Thanks for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me, and drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this app. Please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this 3 times a week. Now, I like to do shout outs. So today's shout out is going to go to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. I really appreciate you. Please keep checking out my videos. Please keep sharing my videos if you're sharing, and please keep hitting that like button. We're trying to get to 9,000 subscribers so I can do that giveaway. So please share this video. And yes, everybody that's watching my videos, please share all my videos. You could be the next person to win some free money. I like to give out free money to 2 people every time I get 1,000 new subscribers. So the next milestone is 9,000 subscribers. So once we get there, I'm gonna randomly pick 1 comment, well 2 comments, but you need to be the first one to comment on all my videos. So please share this video. Let's get to 9,000 subscribers. Alright guys, that's it. Really appreciate it. One more thing. If you're having trouble manifesting money in your life, check out this ebook called How to Use Graphable Numbers, and you'll find out what graphable numbers are. All you got to do is just click on the link in my description or my comments, and that'll take you to the ebook and you can download it. Okay guys, thank you. Really appreciate it, Grind family. One more thing I want to say. Get your grind on, because our grind is real. Please go check out these videos right here if you want to learn how to make money playing games. Peace and have a prosperous day.